Hi everyone, the continuation of the last topic. Another example for the molecular orbital, that is 2,4 pentadienyl radical. CH2 double bond CH, CH double bond CH, CH 2 radical. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is having 5 sp2 carbon, so therefore it will form 5 molecular orbital. The designations: Psi1, Psi2, Psi3, Psi4, Psi5. Nodes are: it is Psi1, nodes are 0. If it is Psi2, nodes are 1. If it is Psi3, nodes are 2. If it is Psi4, nodes are 3. If it is Psi5, nodes are 4. For Psi1 molecular orbital, sigma is present, it is yes. C2 is absent, therefore it is antisymmetry. Similarly, we can write AS for the Psi2, SA for the Psi3, AS for the Psi4, SA for the Psi5. And energy of the 2,4 pentadienyl radical, ground state and electronic configuration: Psi1 has 2 electrons, Psi2 has 2 electrons, Psi3 has 1 electron, where Psi3 is HOMO, Psi4 is LUMO. When an electron jumps from Psi3 to Psi4 in the first excited state, the electronic configuration is Psi1 has 2 electrons, Psi2 has 2 electrons, Psi3 is 0, where Psi4 is HOMO, Psi3 is LUMO. Next topic is Woodward-Hoffmann selection rules for electrocyclic reactions. If chemical reaction having 4n electrons, thermal reaction is possible for conrotation, and for the photochemical reaction, disrotation is allowed. And if the chemical reaction having 4n plus 2 pi electron, the thermal reaction is allowed for the disrotation, and photochemical reaction is allowed for the conrotation. So we have one method, that is frontier molecular orbital approach. Short form is FMO. This method or theory was proposed by F. Faki. In FMO theory, bonding molecular orbitals are allowed, anti-bonding molecular orbitals are forbidden. I am showing bonding interaction between same signs. Anti-bonding interactions are possible with opposite sign. Bonding interaction is allowed, anti-bonding interaction forbidden for the FMO method. FMO method considered HOMO-LUMO levels for prediction of reaction condition. It assumes electrons of HOMO level participates in pericyclic reaction. At the time of reaction, if F-embossed with bonding interaction is allowed under given condition, if embossed with anti-bonding interaction, it is forbidden under given condition. Applications of FMO method for the pericyclic reaction, that is electrocyclic reaction. Consider only HOMO level to predict allowed and forbidden condition. In electrocyclization, bonding interaction of HOMO level under given condition is allowed. Anti-bonding interaction forbidden under given conditions. Suppose for 4n pi electron system, 1,3-butadiene has 4 pi electron. It gives cyclobutene. In the thermal condition, HOMO level from the ground state configuration, Psi1 to Psi2 2. 1,3-butadiene has 4 pi electron, 2 electrons in Psi1 orbital and another 2 electrons in Psi2. Psi2 is HOMO for the 1,3-butadiene under thermal condition. Kahn mode of electrocyclization. In the ground state configuration, Psi2 is HOMO and C2 is present, symmetric. Psi2 molecular orbital is represented as plus plus minus minus. Same side of lobes at the termi will be opposite. for psi with even number. If psi having even number, the terminal lobes of same side lobes having opposite signs. If we do the conrotation on this psi2 molecular orbital, bonding interaction is developed. Therefore, thermal condition is allowed. Conrotation means at the termini both are clockwise or both are anti-clockwise. So for the thermal condition is allowed due to bonding interaction. If we take this mode of electrocyclization for psi2, in HOMO level C2 is present, symmetric. This mode means at the termini one carbon in clockwise direction and another carbon in anti-clockwise direction, means this mode of rotation. If we do this mode of rotation, they will form or they will develop anti-bonding interaction. Therefore, thermal condition is forbidden for this mode of electrocyclization. And for the photochemical condition, in the first excited state configuration, one electron jumping to psi3 molecular orbital from the psi2, then we are writing psi12, psi21, psi31. In the first excited state, the HOMO is psi31, but in the ground state configuration, psi2 is HOMO. Now we are writing psi3 molecular orbital, plus minus minus plus. Psi3 is HOMO in first excited state, sigma is present. We are doing conrotation. At the termini, both are clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. They will form anti-bonding interaction. Photochemical condition forbidden for the anti-bonding reason due to conrotation. For the this mode of electrocyclization, it is 4n electron system. Due to this mode, psi3 is HOMO, bonding interaction is developed. Photochemical condition is allowed for the this mode of electrocyclization because of psi3 is HOMO in the first excited state. Now, finally, we can conclude for the 4n pi electron system, conrotation for thermal condition is allowed, photochemical condition is forbidden. For the this mode of electrocyclization, thermal condition is forbidden, photochemical condition is allowed. If HOMO level having sigma, this is allowed, con is forbidden under given condition. Next, we are taking 4n plus 2 pi electron system. That is best example 135 hexatriene because of it has 6 pi electrons. For the thermal condition, select HOMO level. For the 135 hexatriene, the ground state configuration psi12, psi22, psi32. It has total 6 pi electron. HOMO is psi3. Psi3 molecular orbital, HOMO molecular orbital. For the ground state configuration, sigma is present because of it has mirror plane, so that sigma is present. It develops anti-bonding interaction between the termini of carbons. Thermal condition is forbidden for the conrotation. And this mode of electrocyclization, at the termini, one is clockwise, another is anti-clockwise direction. Bonding interaction is developed. Thermal condition is allowed. And photochemical condition for the 4n plus 2 system. In the first excited state, one electron jumps to psi4 molecular orbital from the psi31. Now we are writing first excited state configuration as psi12, psi22, psi31, psi41, where psi4 is HOMO. We are writing psi4 molecular orbital, C2 is present, HOMO, first excited state, plus minus minus plus plus minus. It develops bonding interaction. Photochemical condition is allowed for the conrotation. This mode of electrocyclization, psi4 is HOMO, first excited state, C2 is present, Anti-bonding interaction is developed. H nu is forbidden. From the above data, we can conclude the selection rules for the electrocyclization. If we take a chemical reaction in 4n system, Kahn rotation for the thermal condition is allowed, photochemical condition is forbidden. If it is 4n system, dismode electrocyclization is allowed for the photochemical condition, it is forbidden for the thermal condition. If the chemical reaction has 4n plus 2 system, Kahn rotation is allowed for the photochemical condition and the thermal condition is forbidden. If 4n plus 2 system, for the dismode of electrocyclization, thermal condition is allowed, photochemical condition is forbidden. This table is very important for the electrocyclization reaction for the 4n and 4n plus 2 systems. Thank you.